You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. It's one of the most common words in English, or at least one of the most used. If you want to learn more vocabulary that can be a bit confusing and mispronounced in English, stay tuned. British English pronunciation: impossible. Impossible. The stress is on the po syllable. Impossible. It's an o sound. The Americans say it a bit more as impossible. It's more of an sound, a bit more open. Impossible. Oh, this is impossible. That's how the Americans would pronounce it. British English UK pronunciation: impossible. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.